Okay, hello everyone. My name is Teacher Kyron, and in this lesson, we're going to learn the difference between there is and there are. Okay, I hope that everyone at home who is watching is safe and well. Okay, so at the end of this lesson, you're going to know how to or when to use there is and when to use there are. Okay, there is. So let's look at this. You use this phrase when you're talking about one item or one person. For example, if we look at the picture, it's a picture of a green leaf. And if someone were to ask, or if I were to ask, how many leaves or how many green leaves are in this picture? There is one leaf. Okay? And how many teachers are speaking right now? There is one teacher speaking right now. Okay, so is we use when we're speaking about one item or one person. Now let's look at the phrase there are. So you use this phrase when you are talking about more than one item or person. Okay, so you use this phrase when you're talking about more than one item or person. For example, there are 7 balloons. So, how many balloons are there? There are 7 balloons. There are 7 balloons. So we use the phrase there are when we're speaking about more than one item or person. Okay, so there are 7 balloons. How many blue balloons are there? There is one blue balloon. How many red balloons are there? There is one red balloon. Okay, let's try. And how many yellow balloons are there? There is one yellow balloon. Okay, so there is you're speaking about one, and there are is if you're speaking about more than one item or person. So if we were to ask how many balloons are there are 7 balloons. But if I were to ask how many blue balloons there is one blue balloon. Okay, so let's look at a few examples of there is and there are. Okay, so in this activity, we need to complete the sentences. Okay, so let's look at the picture first. So it's a picture of a kite that's in yellow. It's a yellow kite, and there's only one kite. So there one kite. There is one kite. Okay, let's look at the next one. There one robot. So if we look at the picture, there is only one robot. So we know that there is one robot. Okay, and if I were to ask how many balls are there are 3 balls. Okay, there are 3 balls. And how many cats are there? There are 2 cats. Okay, there is one orange and there is one yellow cat. Okay, but together, how many cats are there in total, or how many cats are there? There are 2 cats. Okay, so let's go through this activity. It says read and write the correct answer only. So you only need to write the correct answer. So it's either there is one yellow kite or there are one yellow kite. Okay, so number 1, it's a picture of one kite. So we know that we're going to use the word is. There is one yellow kite. Okay, let's look at picture 2. Okay, what's happening in picture 2? There are 2 blue planes. Number 2, there is a picture of 2 planes. So that means we've got to use there are 2 blue planes. Okay, picture 3, there is purple balloons. And how many purple balloons are there? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there is 6 purple balloons, or there are 6 purple balloons. Okay? There are 6 purple balloons. Okay, and in this activity, we need to complete the or the sentences. Okay, number 1 is an example. It's a picture of one green leaf. So number 1, there is one green leaf. Number 2, okay, so we need to complete the sentences. Okay, so in number 2, we've got a picture that has 3 planes. 1, 2, 3. And they are blue in color. And they are planes. So there are 3 blue planes. Okay, we follow an example. Leaf, there is one green leaf. So 1, how many? Okay, so there's 1. So 1. Okay, so first we need to write down how many of it there is, what color it is, and what it is. Okay, so there is one green leaf. Okay, so number 2 should read, there are 3 blue planes. Okay, so let's look at number 3. Okay, at number 3, there is 5 pictures of kites. 5 yellow kites. Okay, so we need to complete the sentence. Okay, so here we need to fill in there is or there are. Okay, so we use is. We know that we use is when we speak about one item or person, and we use are when we speak about more than one item or person. So since there are more than one kite in this picture, we're going to use the word are. There are. Okay, there are how many kites? There are 5. Yellow color. There are 5 yellow kites. Number 3, there are 5 yellow kites.